So this unit here is a patient care unit. It is used specifically in ICU and CCU sections of acute care hospitals. And why would you use this? You use it because it is space saving, and I'm going to show you a little trick to this product. But it features a sink, so once again, all of our sinks we have seamless. So the beauty of this sink that I have here is it's two different colors of solid surface Cortera. Features what's called a marine edge, so that water won't come onto the floor. An offset drain, again, a nice backsplash, and a variety of different colors. But this particular unit is, I'm going to say it, you're going to hear me a couple times, it's almost ADA. We talked to a lot of practitioners about what they like about our units, and we've tried to improve upon it. So one of our new features that we have is this very stable grab bar. The reason these units are used is because this unit has a toilet, yes, it's hidden down there, and a sink and some other different options that can go next to the bed in these areas that these patients cannot get out of bed. They're in ICU and CCU because they can't get out of bed. The best way to get them out of bed is for them to actually use the bathroom. Right here we are featuring our spindleless toilet paper holder, okay? So no more spindles. And it's nice because what's hiding behind my door here, let's see what it is. It is a move-out toilet, okay? So the nice part about our new product is that we can now close the door completely. Okay, so simply when we're finished using the product, all we do is lift this up, put it inside, and the unit is completely behind a barrier. So the nice part is too, this is a hydraulic flush valve, so it's ADA. And we use what's called an infection flush so that this entire product will not flush the toilet unless it's behind the barrier. So another nice feature of this product is that we can do different combinations of other water supply products that you might need with your patient care unit. So we talked about the sink, the toilet. Now we also can incorporate a dialysis box, and if you need, you can have a bedpan washer. The bedpan washer can feature a drain in it, so it has a separate drain out. Nice closing cabinet again, all in one. So this patient care unit is almost ADA, and when I say almost ADA, the reason being is that in ICU and CCU, you actually don't really need an ADA unit, but everyone, we're doing this universal design, so we want to make something that's easy for the practitioners to use, but could meet that requirement, okay? So in order to meet that requirement, the only changes we make to this unit is this would go into a corner. You would put a grab bar right here, and the sink itself would extend out so that a wheelchair can get underneath it. But otherwise, the whole point of this unit is to have something that has a sink, a toilet, and other features that's space savings.